mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Sunday Racing, November 24, 2024. Ngayon ang pinakatampok ng 29th Marho Breeders' Championship. Meron 7 na stake races at 5 na trophy races dahil meron tayong total na 12 races ngayong araw ng linggo. Race 1, Marho Breeders 3-year-old Colt Mile, 1,600 meter distance. 4 na kabayo lang pero lahat ay parang balanse ang kalibre. Pero first choice natin, number 4, Bill Jordan. Second choice, number 2, Authentication. Race 2. First choice, number 11, Summer Rule. Second choice, number 1, Victorious Angel. Third choice, number 5, Kaboom. Race 3. Ambassador Eduardo M. Cojuangco Jr. Memorial Cup. May distansyang 2,000 meter. Ito na yung race na labanan ng dalawang undefeated or wala pang talo. First choice natin, number 6, Andiamo Aperinse. Second choice, number 1, Most Grateful. May kasamang 1A, Red Queen. Race 4. Marho Breeders 2-year-old Juvenile Pilis. Pakarera ni Congresswoman Karen Javier. Only choice, number 3, Midnight Bell. Race 5. Marho Breeders 2-year-old Juvenile Colt naman. Sponsored naman ito ni Andox Lechon Corporation and Philippine Racing Commission. Only choice, number 3, El Haleo. Race 6. First choice, Puting Kabayo. Number 11, Isla Puting Bato. Second choice, number 1, Art Seb. Third choice, number 5, Batang Kankalu. Race 7, ang pinaka-main event. Ang first prize ng mananalo dito ay 3 million. May distansyang 2,000 meter. Marho Breeders Classic. Sponsored ng Andoc Lechon Corporation and San Miguel Corporation. First choice natin, number 7, Jaguar. Second choice, number 1, War Cannon. Race 8. First choice, number 1, Polite Bell. Second choice, number 14, Days Ex Machina. Third choice, number 12, Buwayang Bato. Race 9. Marho Breeders 3-year-old Philly Mile. Sponsored ng Philippine Racing Commission. First and only choice, number 2, Primavera. Race 10. First choice, number 3, Success of Times. Second choice, number 1, Sirinagar. Third choice, couple then 3, Ang Bigote. 7A, Modern Stroke. Race 11. Marho Breeders Andoc Lechon Baka Sprint 1,000 meter. First choice, number 3, Gusto Mucho. Second choice, number 2, Palawig. Last race, race 12. First choice number 2, Magandang Dilag. Second choice number 3, Eye in the Sky. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!